We're really interested in things that are not visible to the naked eye. And can we even study things that grow in lakes and rivers? And how can we understand these things that are so incredibly small but influence human health in such a major way? My main goal, really, and the goal of our lab, is to understand how things work. And sometimes by just understanding how things work, there are whole new applications that couldn't be foreseen when you start a study. Early on in my lab, we were interested in how viruses move around the body, and that led us to ask a specific question about whether bacteria in the gut could be influencing viral infection in some way. And through a bunch of interdisciplinary collaborations, we started going down that road and very quickly found that our hypothesis that we went in with was completely wrong, and that bacteria promote viral infection.
So Dr. Pfeiffer's work really focuses on how bacteria in our own body can affect whether we get sick from a virus. And for a while, people had really only focused on how the virus interacts with our own body and had really forgotten about the bacteria that are in our body.
This new field is just broadly kind of referred to as virus microbiota interactions, or kind of trans-kingdom interactions. So that created a kind of new discipline within the umbrella of microbiology, because typically virologists and bacteriologists don't really talk to each other very much.
And what Julie realized is that there are drugs for bacterial infections that can augment a viral infection. And so this was a whole new way and platform for using those types of drugs to offset the viral infection, using a drug that no one even knew before you could use for this type of disease.
It takes a very fearless leader to dive into fields that you're unfamiliar with. But more importantly, I think she's an incredible mentor.
It's her science and the way that she trains people and the way that she relates to people in her community. She's a really valuable part of UT Southwestern, and how people interact and how they collaborate and how they communicate and how they succeed.
There's that best feeling in the world when you're the first person to know some scientific truth, be it a simple experiment or a complex one, when you're the first person that's going to see that result. Really what keeps us going is the fact that we're discovering new things every day.